When I was growing up, in each apartment that we had, there were no pull-up bars, and I could successfully do 0 pull-ups growing up. I was a little chubby, and so it was a little more difficult for somebody like me. I had a bigger frame, although I thought I was strong, I still could not do a pull-up. Suddenly, my mom bought a house, and in the garage of the home came with a pull-up bar. Suddenly, I could start doing pull-ups, and that meant I could actually do a pull-up after enough training. Changing your environment to produce the habits that you want to follow, that you think are going to be good for your life, is the key to creating the life that you want. If you want to lose weight, or if you want to do better in business, or have some sort of creative outlet, or make it big in your art, think about the environment that you're in, and is that actually going to get you to the place that you want? People bag on living in California or New York City and the cost of living there. But if you're somebody who can make things happen, if you're ambitious, then there's more opportunities in those places than there are going to be in places with low populations with not a lot of things going on, which is why you would want to move there. If you're in your apartment and you want to get more fit and be reminded of fitness and health, consider a pull-up bar. Each time you will walk by the door that has the pull-up bar, and you'll be reminded of a value that you want to pursue. And it'll violently remind you, because you can't ignore it. Each time you see it, it's going to be a spitting image of the thing that you want to become, which is probably stronger or more healthy. Do you want to stop eating as many snacks? I know I did. I'm a big snacker. I'll dome a party-size bag of Cool Ranch Doritos in the evening, no problem. And I know that type of habit isn't going to help me get healthier. And so the idea here isn't to expect myself to stop wanting to eat those things. The idea is I need to make my environment non-conducive to do those things. Before we left from our previous place, luckily we had to walk like 1.5 miles to get groceries, and we could only carry so much as well. So there wasn't a lot of room for snacks, and they kind of take up a ton of room. And as we were planning to move to the next place, there was a liquor store. And just by that liquor store being there, we got way more snacks just for the 2 weeks that it was there. And it just goes to show that if you put yourself in a place where those things are going to be easy to get, you're not going to succeed. Or it's going to be way more difficult to succeed. This is a lesson I've learned after selling our car and walking everywhere and biking everywhere, is that it's very unreasonable to not become healthier when you have to move so much more. There's also less room in our backpacks to carry snacks, so we're going to get the things that matter the most for the week. Proteins, rice, fruits, veggies, the things that make up our meals. And so if you're somebody who's feeling a little stuck with where you want to go in your life, or the goals that you set out and your progress towards them, consider changing up your environment. Make a big change. Make it unreasonable for you not to succeed.